Alright, so I'm thinking of doing some pockets out of these. Cute little cards. Not sure exactly how I'm going to do that yet, but that's my idea. And I kind of just want to add these words to them, so.
Why? How you do? Get more rolls. More.
Hmm?
I think you got more words.
Yeah, I'm using more words.
Oh, one more word.
Yeah, there is one more word, but I'm not using that right now.
Mom.
What?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh.
What are you doing?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to make these into little pockets. Look cute on it. Try to keep it as simplistic as possible. You know what? That'd be cute too. This one I'm not going to do sewing. I'm just going to do a basic thing around it. Make an itty bitty pocket.
That way you get down.
Bella, can you please quit while you're ahead? And stick something in there. You know what?
Just doing this.
This is what I'm going to do. There. So we made a little tiny pocket with a little tiny piece. Kind of like a hidden secret. Not sure yet what I'm doing with this one, so I'm just gonna quickly swipe across it, distress it a little, all the way across, and decide a little bit more on what I'm thinking. I was thinking I think that's what I'm gonna do. That around it? No.
You still paint this. That way you don't want to cut on.
Well, then don't color on it if you don't want to. No one's making you. You gotta learn that it's your own choices, Bella. A little bit with this. I want Bella to create. You have a lot to create. You just gotta open up your mind a little bit to create. I wonder if I have like tiny flower or something that I could just stick right there. Stick this a little bit more that way and stick something right there. I'm gonna have to look and see if I have anything tiny. No, but I did just come up with a better idea for this one. I want to add one other thing to it. There. Still, again, cute little pocket. All right. Maybe I just leave it like that. Since it's fabric, I use Fabri-Tac. Now, here's a cute little way of making a tuck and a pocket within it. And then this is my cute little pocket. It looks like it's missing something though. I don't know what it's missing, but it's missing something. Ooh, that would be a good idea, maybe. I have an idea. I know what it's missing. Is it to this side? Nope, that ain't the right one. All right. I have this dark brown ones, but don't want to come out. Yes, Bella? You gonna watch me? What I'm doing? Okay. You watch what I'm doing, okay?
I don't know what you're doing.
I stuck that thing in the hole. Right? Oops, wrong way. I can do this. There we go. Then we gotta stick this back where it belongs, right? Bella?
But you're going to do the other one like that?
Nope, I'm not gonna do the other one like that. I'm just doing this one like that. And then a cute little garment pin. I've been wanting to try these out for a while. Bella, you need to quit moving the camera, please.
Okay. to do pictures?
No, I'm just going to add a little something to this garment pin to make some cuteness. Yeah, I think that would be appropriate. Just a little bit of something.
You're going to do more cards.
Maybe. Right now we're just working on these ones. There. I think that's cute. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I just wish it'd hang like this or something. So there's our two, a tuck and a pocket. I hope you liked it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.